Welcome to the Going Beyond meditation. To begin, take a few gentle, deep breaths. And as you breathe, just allowing your body to relax. And as you breathe out and let go, letting yourself feel more and more relaxed and at peace. Getting ready to go on a spiritual journey. And now see yourself as a shining light, like a beautiful sparkling star. And this wonderful light that you are can fly. Imagine yourself floating up as that light, and as you float up you feel lighter and lighter, feeling like you're being pulled higher. Looking down on the body, flying up, looking down from a distance, just like flying up in a plane. Everything gets smaller and smaller. The world fades away, seeing the earth disappearing in the distance, flying through the stars, the galaxy, feeling lighter and lighter as you fly higher and higher, further away from the earth to the edge of the universe. And what is beyond the universe? As you come to the edge of the universe, you break through, and on the other side is a world of golden light, like an eternal sunset that never ends. A world of infinite peace, complete silence, where you're just floating, relaxing, safe and secure. Just enjoying being filled with peace, floating in this vast world of peace and light. Noticing, how does it feel to be safe, to feel secure and completely free. All worries and concerns of the world are far away in the distance, and you're just floating in this beautiful world of light, the spiritual home. Where you can just be. There's nothing to do. Relax and let go. You are constantly, naturally relaxed. And the whole universe is far, far away. And when you're ready, you can come back gently through the universe, down through the different galaxies, solar system, all the way back to the beautiful big blue planet, down into wherever you are, and back into your body, and welcome back to being alive on this wonderful, fascinating planet. Enjoy, enjoy.